Well, the decision by this three-member bench hasn't really resolved fundamental constitutional issues confronting Pakistan today. If at all, I believe it has exacerbated the chaos and confusion. Yes, Imran Khan's party has welcomed it. They are calling it historic. They are jubilant. But the government had already said they will not accept this verdict by this three-member bench. We have to remember that it started out as a 9-member bench. Two of the judges had to recuse themselves because there were objections over their conduct and their impartiality. Four other senior members later left the bench because they had openly disagreed with the Chief Justice. And in the end, we saw Chief Justice along with two of his close colleagues giving this verdict. Now, he had the opportunity to unite the country, to resolve these fundamental questions by having a full court. And that's what was asked by the parliament, by the government, by bar councils, by senior constitutional experts that have collective wisdom to ponder some of these very complicated issues. And whatever is decided by the full court will be acceptable to everyone. But the Chief Justice, in his wisdom, did not decide to opt for that option. And I think this will cause more chaos and more confrontation. The government has already said they will not accept it. And I think we will see more dramatic events going forward. There will be a pushback. Many of Supreme Court senior judges are now out in the open. They do not agree with the Chief Justice. They do not agree with his approach. And I think they will push back because some of their observations and objections and recent court rulings have been basically dismissed by the Chief Justice. So if Pakistan is to move forward on democratic trends, protecting the constitution, it begins with the Supreme Court and with the conduct of the Chief Justice. I feel that in the last week or so, the Chief Justice has been gravely undermined. He stands exposed, and he had the opportunity to do things differently, but he chose not to. So unfortunately, it's not over yet, and I think we will see some more dramatic events going forward.